What did I do?
Come on, bud.
What did I do?
Hop out here.
Am I getting arrested for what, man?
You're under arrest for aggravating menacing, all right?
Menacing for...
On November 23, 2024, at approximately 4:43 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a call from a bar, complaining that there was a customer causing a disturbance, refusing to leave. When they arrived on scene, they found out it was much, much more than that.
Is this him?
I think it is. Yeah, it's him. That's him.
Okay. Are you involved in the business at all?
Buddy, I was just in the bar. I just saw it happen.
It's all good. Appreciate it.
I yelled at you.
They don't want you here.
For nothing, bro.
They don't want you here.
I did nothing, though.
But that's fine, but they still don't want you here.
For what?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter, though.
It doesn't matter, man.
It does, though, dude. How does it not matter?
This person says, or people at the business say they don't want you in there. You can't go in there.
For what?
It doesn't matter.
It does, though.
They just might not like you. I don't know. It doesn't matter.
Bro, it's a fucking bar.
Yeah? It's a private establishment. They can choose to serve whoever they want.
Dude, that's fucked up, bro.
It might be.
I'm gonna do something now. That's fucked up. I don't give a fuck, bro.
So here's the thing.
Fucked up. I didn't do shit.
They don't want you here.
I
All right?
didn't do shit, bro. Nothing.
Yeah.
I sit there to myself. I sit there to myself.
So here's the thing. If you don't go back there, we don't have anything else to do with you, all right? Can you do that?
Bro, I hang out there, dude. I did nothing, man.
Okay.
Nothing, dude.
They have the
They
right-
said they feel uncomfortable around me.
They have the right
Why
to
is
tell
that
you not
my
to come
problem?
back. Okay?
I didn't do anything, dude.
Well, they wouldn't have called us if they didn't feel like that.
Bro, I hang out there all the time. I didn't threaten nobody. I didn't pick a fight with no one. I'm yes ma'am, yes sir. That's it, dude.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Alright then. Alright.
Oh, he's fine. He threatened the whole bar. He came in, he goes, I will shoot the fucking place up.
I promise. I came out.
I heard it, he came out, you can
He
watch
has
the
these in
video.
his back pocket,
He's
like
like,
he
he
has
was threatening her, and he goes, I will shoot, he said it twice, I will shoot this whole fucking place up.
I mean, you guys.
I mean, they're shutting down the establishment. He's gonna go in there, and he's a problem.
I'm saying it depends. You guys want to be victims out of this, right? You want
Sure.
you guys want to prosecute against enforcement, and you're willing to do that.
All right. We're going to go look for him.
Curly hair, taps on his face. Was that,
You know him?
was he
But
here?
Is he in the bathroom?
What did I do?
Come on, bud.
What did I do?
Hop out here.
Am I getting arrested for what, man?
You're under arrest for aggravating menacing, all right?
Menacing
Hands
for
behind your back.
menacing for
Turn
what?
around.
Menacing for what?
Aggravated menacing.
What is that?
Drop what's in your hands.
What is aggravated menacing?
Put your hands together.
Making deadly threats against people, all
I
right?
didn't deadly threaten anyone, dude.
We have lots of witnesses,
No,
all right?
I didn't threaten anyone, sir.
Stop turning.
Man, I didn't threaten anybody, dude.
Stop turning.
Come on, dude. The dude threatened me, bro. Dude, the dude threatened me. I didn't threaten anybody, bro.
Turn your hands around.
Dude, I didn't threaten anybody. Dude, I didn't threaten no one, man. Okay, who did I threaten, sir?
Everybody in the bar.
I said I'm gonna come in and spray paint the place, bro. I didn't threaten anybody, bro.
They said you were going to come in and shoot the place.
No, I said I'm gonna spray paint the place.
We have plenty of witnesses, all right?
Sir, I can spray paint the place.
Just relax, man.
Dude, sir, can you talk to me for a second, please?
We're going out to the cruiser, all right?
We'll
talk
talk there. We'll talk there.
We'll get your stuff. We're going to come back and grab your stuff, all right? 6-3, have a code 3.
Hey, there has to be someone out here that heard me say I'm gonna spray paint the place, man.
Like I said, they got witnesses there that are.
We said we have a code 3.
Sir, I want to do that. I came in here, I'm gonna spray paint the place. I'm a train rider. I spray paint you. Listen, I spray paint things, okay?
Okay.
The lady that owns that place, she is absolutely terrified of you, and she said you were going to come back and shoot the
I
place.
said, let's come back and spray paint the place, man. Listen, I put on my life. I will not say that. I train you. I paint things, dude. Please, I want to do that, dude.
All right.
Do you see how it's close?
Well, like I said, we got a lot of witnesses.
I know. I
there.
came in there and I yelled it. Okay. Come on, man. I didn't threaten anyone. I want to do that. Come on,
Go ahead
man.
and see, man.
Let's get him. Let's get him searched.
Sir, can you,
Hey.
dude? I didn't threaten no one. I didn't come in there and say that. I said spray paint the place. I'm not lying to you, man.
Is this a lighter?
No, it's a container. Listen, I didn't. Honestly, sir, I did not say that. I said I'm gonna spray paint the place, man.
Okay.
Come on, dude. I didn't threaten anyone. Please, I'm not like that, dude. I want to do that.
All right,
Not
so
dumb.
here's the thing. All right. You'll have your day in court.
No, come on, man. I
Hey,
didn't do that,
you
though.
gotta listen,
I didn't
okay?
threaten nobody, dude.
Can you listen to me? Okay.
Dude, I don't like
let me
going to
finish.
jail. I'm not like that, man. I'm not dumb like that. I know the law. I've been around the world, bro.
All right.
I'm not like that, man. I said I'm gonna come in here and spray paint the place, bro. I put it on my life. I will not say that.
We have lots of witnesses.
I get it. I know it's
That's-
close, but I
All
would
right,
not
we have
say
prob-
that. I
we
said I'm
have-
gonna come in here and
We
spray
have
paint
probable
it.
cause to believe. Okay.
Dude, I get what I look like. All that. Listen to me, man. You know why they kicked me out of the place? Because they feel uncomfortable. I didn't threaten anyone, okay? I didn't threaten no one. They said I've made them feel uncomfortable. I came in there, so I'm gonna spray paint the place. I did not threaten anyone. I'm not dumb like that, man.
This is what we're working with. Okay.
Come on.
We have lots of witnesses.
I get it. Hey, but do you see how it sounds the fucking same?
I don't see how it sounds the same. I really don't.
Dude, I
All right?
would not say I'm gonna
So-
shoot the place. I said I'm spray paint the place. I put
There
on
have
my
been plenty
life, man. Dude, that's fucked up, dude. I did not say that, dude.
Okay, we got the whole building full of people.
I know I said I'm
that
gonna
say
come here and
that,
spray paint the place. Dude, I want to fucking do that, man. Please don't fucking do this. I would not say that, dude. Fuck. Dude, I'm not gonna have a good time in there. I did not do that. I did not threaten no one. I promise you, man. I did not threaten. I was spray paint. I'm a train rider. I spray paint trains, dude. I would not come in there and say that.
You need to calm down, all right? Bring it down.
Dude,
Okay.
okay, it's
Let us
fuck-
do our job.
Dude, I didn't.
Bring it down.
I didn't threaten no one, man. Dude, I didn't threaten anybody, dude. I didn't threaten no one.
How's this come off your belt, man?
Dude, I didn't threaten no one, man. Why? I didn't. Dude, I said spray paint the place. I yelled it all the whole time when I was out
Okay.
there.
Okay, we got you.
But
Okay.
dude, no, that's fine. I'm not. I didn't go. I'm going to jail for something I didn't do, dude. I didn't say that, man.
If you turn into him again,
I'm
it's
sorry.
gonna hurt,
Dude,
okay?
I'm not trying to do that. Don't fucking
Let's-
be like that. I'm not trying to do that, man.
I have to protect my partner.
I get
Okay?
it, dude. I'm not
So
trying-
when I tell you to do something, you're gonna do it.
Dude, I did not threaten those people, man. I did not threaten them.
Okay. Your denial will be recorded in the report, okay?
I cannot get his thing off without ripping it off.
Dude, can I call where's my phone at?
Like,
My
it's
phone's in my
exigency.
pocket. Yeah, my phone's in my coat. You guys get my,
Yeah,
get my
we're
coat?
gonna get it. We have to get through this first, all right?
Dude, I didn't.
The more that you delay this,
I didn't threaten nobody, dude. I didn't threaten no one, man. Come on, bro. We're not doing that, dude. I said I'm gonna come in here and spray paint the whole fucking place, bro.
All right, go ahead. Just spread the feet out.
Dude, that's fucked
so we can
up.
get this done. All right.
I didn't do anything wrong, man. What is this, a fucking felony?
It's a misdemeanor.
aggravated menacing is a misdemeanor of the first degree.
Dude, I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't threaten nobody, man.
We have witnesses saying
Dude, I came in there, so I'm gonna spray paint the whole place, bro.
we had 4 separate people come up to us before while I was talking to you that said we are terrified of what that person pointing to you said.
I said I'm gonna come in here and spray paint the whole place.
Okay? They heard shoot up the place.
You don't see how that sounds a little similar?
No.
What?
No.
It doesn't.
Hey, have a seat.
Can you guys get my phone?
I'm gonna get it. We have to get you in
Well,
the
I
cruiser.
didn't do anything wrong, man. That's fucked up, dude.
Is he double locked?
That's fucked up, dude.
Let me make sure.
Fuck, man. I didn't do anything wrong, bro. I didn't do anything wrong, dude.
Okay.
I didn't threaten nobody, bro.
You will have your day in court.
Fuck! Dude, fuck. I didn't do anything wrong, man. I didn't threaten nobody.
Never using those cups.
Dude, I said I'm gonna come here and spray paint the whole place, bro. How? Dude, why the fuck? Oh, dude, I didn't do
Sit down.
anything wrong,
Sit down.
man. I didn't do anything
Look that
wrong,
way.
bud.
Look that way.
I didn't do anything wrong, man.